Rule 12, Sailing Vessels. Rule 12A. When two sailing vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision, one of them shall keep out of the way of the other as follows. 1. When each has the wind on a different side, the vessel which has the wind on the port side shall keep out of the way of the other. Explanation. The wind side is the side from which the wind is coming. A vessel on port tack must keep out of the way of a vessel on starboard tack. This rule establishes a clear and simple priority between sailing vessels on opposite tacks. Two, when both have the wind on the same side, the vessel which is to windward shall keep out of the way of the vessel which is to leeward. Explanation. Windward vessel, closer to the wind. Leeward vessel, farther from the wind. The windward vessel gives way because the leeward vessel has less freedom to maneuver, especially due to disturbed airflow and sail efficiency. 3. If a vessel with the wind on the port side sees a vessel to windward and cannot determine with certainty whether the other vessel has the wind on the port or on the starboard side, she shall keep out of the way of the other. Explanation. This paragraph covers situations of doubt. If you are on port tack and cannot be sure of the other vessel's tack, you must assume she may be on starboard tack and keep clear. This reinforces the fundamental Colregs principle. When in doubt, give way. Rule 12b. For the purposes of this rule, the windward side shall be deemed to be the side opposite to that on which the mainsail is carried, or, in the case of a square-rigged vessel, the side opposite to that on which the largest fore and aft sail is carried. Explanation. This paragraph explains how to identify the windward side of another sailing vessel. On fore and aft rigged vessels, the mainsail is always on the leeward side, so the opposite side is windward. On square-rigged vessels, the position of the largest fore and aft sail is used instead. This rule is particularly important at night, at a distance, or in restricted visibility of sail details.